Now come to lecture number 2, page number 136. So I think page number 136 also continue with problems on multiplication. So we'll see now page number 136. Okay, we did this. There are 25 desks in classroom. If two students sits on each desk, okay, find the number of students in that class. Okay, in one class there is 25 desks. If you are in standard 2, then assume that in your class standard 2 there is 25 desks. Okay, so number of desks is 25. Okay. If two students sit on each desk, 25 desks, and in each desk, okay, means in every desk two students sits. Okay. So on each desk, students sit. So in each desk, how many students sit? Two students. So find the number of students in that school. So number of students in that school. Just multiply 25 into 2. 5 into 2, 10, 2 into 2, 4, 1, 5. So there are 50 students in that class. In that school or in that class, I should write. Okay, very easy. Or what you will do, 25 text is there, so simply you just add 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Add till 25 then in last also you will get 50. So when you will add, it will take too much time, but just you multiply 25 into 2, you will get 50. That's why I am always telling that multiplication is a repeated addition, means it will repeat one on one. Same number, 25 into 2 means 2 will be 25 times. You have to, when you will add 2 25 times, you will get 50. That's why multiplication is a repeated addition. When you will multiply directly 25 into 2 times, you will get 50. Question number 9 is, there are 42 students in a class. If each student need 8 exercise books, how many exercise books are enough for the student of this class? Okay, like assume in your class in standard 2 there is 42 students. Okay, now every student need 8 exercise books. 8 books means Hindi, English, Maths, History, Science, GK, Sanskrit, okay, whatever, computer. So there every student need 8 books. The total number of students is 42. So you have to tell how many exercises books are enough for the student of this class. So how many total number of books will be needed for all the students of standard 2. So what we have to do is just type 42 into 8 and multiply and write answer. For question number 8 in your book, just solve like this way and solve and write the answer. Okay, and here also in question number 9, type 42 into 8, multiply and write the answer. If you are able to solve according to this, you can solve by statement in your copy also. Question number 10, Usha invited 35 friends on her birthday. How many balloons did she buy? If she gave 6 balloons to each of her friends, okay. Like in standard 2, one of the student birthday is there, so that he invites all. Okay, like if I am, just assume I am in a standard 2, so I invite my 35 friends on my birthday. Okay, and to each friend I have given 6 balloons. So how many balloons I have given to my friend? One friend 6 balloons, 35 friend how many balloons? So multiply 35 into 6 and you will get the answer. 11. If a shopkeeper sells 48 eggs every day, how many eggs does he sell in 4 days? Very easy. In one day, 48 eggs. So how many eggs he will sell in 4 days? So 48 into 4. 12. If there are 35 students in each row, find the number of students in 6 such rows. So how I have explained the trees one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows is there. In each row there is 35 students. So you have to tell the total number. So when you will add, you will get the same answer. And when you just multiply 35 into 6, you will get the same answer. Here you have to add 35 6 times. 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. And here is one, when you will do multiply, you just simply write 35 into 6 and you will get the answer. 13. If each family has 2 children, find the number of children in such 29. One family, 2 children, then 29 family, 29 into 2. 14. A tricycle needs 3 wheels. Okay, a cycle which needs 3 wheels. How many wheels will be needed for 136 tricycle? So here also 136 into 3. 6 into 3 18. 1. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10. 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4. So for 136 tricycle, okay, it needs 408 wheels. Okay, so we are done for page number 136. Now we will come to page number 137, that is division. So this is a collection of 12 cups. Now 12 cups are divided into 3 groups. Okay. Each having the same number. Okay, see, right? There is 12 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As you will say, 12 balloons. Okay. Now this 12 egg I am dividing in 3 groups, but equal. 3 groups means, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, and 1, 2, 3, 4. See, each 12 egg I have divided into 3 equal groups, and each group has 4 egg. 4 egg in each group. Okay, and this is divided into equal parts. So how many cups are there in each group? See, in each group there is how many cups are there? 4. 4 cups. 4 eggs. So in each group, how many eggs is there? 4 eggs. Okay. So hence, it means total number of eggs is what? 12. So write 12. Divide is there. So this is the divide sign. Okay. How many eggs are in each group? So there are 4 eggs in each group. Okay. Now when you will divide 12 divided by 4, how many total groups are there? How many total groups are there? Okay. So see, total number of egg is 12. Total number of group is 1, 2, 3. Right here 3. And how many eggs are in each group? So 4. So right here 4. So when you will divide 12 by 3, you will get 4. Read the table of 3. So read the table of 3. In the table of 3, 12 will come by 4 times. So write here 4. Okay, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. So remainder is 0, quotient is 4. So your final answer is 4. Okay, student. Same here, 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. How you will see? So see, it means you have to divide 32 by 4. 4 you will write here, 32 you will write here. Read the table of 4. If in the table of 4, 32 is there, read 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 8 32. By 8 times you will get 32. Now subtract 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So this 8 is quotient quotient, this 0 is your remainder, this is called your divisor, this is called your dividend. So see, when you divide 32 by 4, what is your answer? 8. So I have showed you here divide also. What is your answer? Quotient is 8. So here and your answer is also 8. So till page number 137 I am stopping. Okay, in next classes I will go for page number 38. So for now, goodbye.